Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about how to find the total number of factors and sum of all factors, sum of even factors and sum of odd factors for a given number. So for this we are going to see only two steps. First step, which we need to convert the given number in terms of prime, the product of prime numbers, which is nothing but your prime factorization. And the second step, just add 1 to all the powers and finally find the product of all. This will give you the total number of factors for a given number. So now let's take an example. So find the total number of factors of 1728. So 1728, when you prime factorize it, you will get 2 power 6 into 3 cube. So now you have 6 as your power. So add 1 to the power, which will be 7. And here you have the power as 3, so add 1 to the power, it will be 4. So the total number of factors will be 7 into 4, which is 28. Okay, similarly, you can consider the next question. Find the total number of divisors of 10 factorial. So prime factorization will be like 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you cannot take because 10 is a composite number, 9 is a composite number. So we are converting everything in terms of prime factorization. So 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 into 5 square into 7 power 1 will be your prime factorization. Now we can apply the same rule, add 1 to each power. So now 2 power 8, so we'll consider it as 9. 3 power 4, we'll consider, add 1 to the power, so it will be 5. So here the power is 2, add 1 to the power, it will be 3. Here the power is 1, add 1 to the power, it will be 2. So now finally the final product will be 9 into 5 into 3 into 2, which is 270. So finding the sum of factors. Okay. So now we are also going to apply the same rule. First step is going to be the same as the previous one, which is finding the prime factorization. Express the term in terms of the prime numbers. And then second step here, it will little bit change is there. So here you need to expand the power, sum it, and finally find out the product of if different values. Okay, so let me just explain you with a simple example. So find the sum of all factors of 1728. So I think now you will be able to find the prime factorization for 1728. So prime factorization for 1728 will be, prime factorization for 1728 will be 2 power 6 into 3 cube. So now 2 power 6, when you expand it from the lower power, which is 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4 plus 2 power 5 plus 2 power 6. Same way expand 3 cube, 3 power 1 plus 3 power 1 plus 3 square plus 3 cube. So now finally find out the product of these two values. So here when you sum the values 2 power 0 till 2 power 6, it is 127, and 3 power 0 to 3 cube will give you 40. So the sum of all factors will be 127 into 40, which is 5080. So now sum of odd factors of 3600. So prime factorization will be 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square. And now again we are going to abbreviate it. But here since we want only the odd factors, we can leave the even number aside. Okay, so odd numbers, so 3 and 5. So 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 plus 3 square into 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1 plus 5 square. So now this value is 13. The sum of this value is 31. So your final value will be 403, which is your sum of odd factors of 3600. Similarly, find the sum of even factors of 3600. So here there are two ways. The first I will say the easiest way. So here first way is to find the prime factorization of 3600, which you have already found out, which is 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square. Okay, so now here we while we are expanding it, so we will get 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, and 2 power 4. Now since we want even factors, so this 2 power 0 alone will be eliminating it. Okay, So if we eliminate 2 power 0, your rest of the values will be 2 power 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 power 4 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 plus 3 square into 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1 plus 5 square. So you will get 12090. Okay. Alternatively, even though it is a longer way, I'll just say the other way also. Sum of all factors will find out like the previous one, like this value. So you will get 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 power 4, like 31 into 13 into 31, we'll get 1249. And when you subtract the sum of odd factors, so you will be able to get the sum of even factors. So when you subtract the odd factors from the total number of factors, obviously the rest is going to be your even factors. So this is the it's two step method in which you can find out the sum of factors, sum of odd factors, and sum of even factors. Thank you.